This works great for PVC or copper pipe. It is a deburring tool, so anytime you're doing plumbing work and you just want to make sure that you've got the edges cleaned up as well as you can, you need one of these handy. And this is really high quality. You can do the inside and you can do the outside as well. This was sent to me so I could test it out and make this video. Let me show you a close-up of how this works. You can kind of get an idea of the quality. Now this works from 1/4 inch to 1 5/8 inch pipe. You can use PVC like this or copper. Let me show you a quick before and after. So here's a look at the PVC. Let's go ahead and do the inside real quick. And you can see how that kind of cuts into the PVC just a bit. Let's do the outside. There you've got it on the outside of the PVC. I think what's really nice about this is just the size. It basically works for any pipe that you're going to have. So if you do plumbing work a lot or irrigation, or you just want a nice high quality deburring tool, this is not very expensive, but it does a really good job. This is high quality. Unlike a lot of deburring tools, this has 4 blades on the inside, not just 3. So really nice, high quality. This is going to last forever.